Alright, so the other day I was just sitting down at my teacher's desk having a good time. I had my grade 1251 E&I class, I was ready to teach them, and I started getting emails from my students from the class. I ignored them, of course, because I had a lesson to do. So, sat down, waited, and no students came. Turns out everybody was absent. And I started getting a bunch of emails, more emails asking for help here, support here, and all of that. So my laptop was blowing up. That's my laptop, by the way. So I did what any good teacher would do. I just ignored the emails. And then later on, while I was just minding my own business, my phone started to buzz. And I was like, okay, it's just a notification. But then it started to buzz more, and more. A lot of notifications. I was like, oh my God, did I finally go viral? Am I now popular? Am I a celebrity now? Maybe I can become teacher of the year. So I quickly hurried and checked my phone. So I grabbed my phone. I checked. That's a terrible circle. I tried to grab my phone. I grabbed my phone and I checked. And then I checked, and it was all my Instagram DMs. Somehow my students found me. Mister, I need help with this question. Mister, I don't understand this. Random picture gets sent. Check it, and it's like some working that's been done, and it disappears. Little disappearing image. What was the point? And then another one says, I need you to completely explain topic 8 for me. And I'm sitting there thinking, I've got you in a class. So I started, my smile started to fade a little, thinking, what, that looks like a moustache. Started to fade a little, and I was starting to get a bit annoyed. I was like, what is this? How are you emailing me, and now you're going to be DMing me, and I could have been teaching you. So I was going to get ready to send a big message back, a big long essay back saying that you want me to give up my time for you, and you're not coming to school for me. And I thought, you know what? I felt bad. I didn't do that. I was like, no, that's not fair. Okay, fine. So, me being me, what I did was I just blocked them. I put my phone away, and I continued having a good time. Thank you.